All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to find the determinant of the following matrix using the spaghetti method. So in a previous video I had gone over how to find the determinant of a matrix using 3x3 matrix using expansion by rows or columns, but we're going to use a different method here today. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write all the numbers as they're written from the actual matrix. And right next to the last column, the 4, 7, -8, you're just going to write down the first two columns once again. Okay, that always works out for every one of these determinants using the spaghetti method. So here's what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and do some calculations. Now, starting from the upper left, from the 1, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle these numbers going down from 1, going down diagonally. So 1 times -10 times -8. Sorry, 1 -10 -8, and I'm going to multiply all those numbers so you get an 80. So write that number down, and what we're going to do is we're going to add this to our next product, which will start from 0, going down, so in the same fashion. 0 times 7 times 11 is 0. And then plus, last one here, 4 times 9 times 3, which is 108. And we will add those numbers together to get 188. So again, you start from the upper left number, which is in this case 1, and then you circle down diagonally the numbers that you have, and then you go to the next number on that same row, the 0, do the same, and you work with the 4. And yeah, that's the last one. A lot of people say or try to do this, but there's no third number when you keep doing that. So we have those, and we're now going to do our next computation, which starts from the bottom left corner, the 11, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go up. So you have 11 times -10 times 4, which is -440. 3 times 7 times 1 is 21. And then -8 times 9 times 0, which is 0, and we're going to add these together. So 188, sorry, -440 plus 21, that's a -419. And what you do with these two numbers is as follows. You take the ones you got from, starting from the upper left, the 188, and you subtract the -419, okay, which turns into 188 plus 419. And doing the arithmetic on that, 9 and 8 is 17, and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 8, 0, and 1, 607. So you get 607 out of this, which is the same exact answer as we had by row or an expansion in the previous video. Now, there are some limitations to this. From what I know, this really just works pretty well with the 3x3. I could be wrong. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you I know everything about calculating determinants. But there might be a shortcut, but I think it just gets a little more complicated for other size matrices. So the cofactor, the expansion by rows or columns is the best way to attack for the most part of these. But 3x3 determinants come up a lot, so good method to know. All right, thank you for your time.